Okay, the next step in getting your WordPress site up and running is to work to eliminate spam. Spam is usually a pretty big problem because with WordPress, there's ways for people to comment on your posts, which is something that you want, but you just don't want people to put a post there and then put a link to the website or link to malware or spyware or malicious programs. So WordPress has these things called plugin. If you go over to the left side of your dashboard, about 3/4 of the way down, you'll see plugins. Now, when you go to GoDaddy, they automatically put these three plugins in automatically. What I typically do is this plugin right here is a very good anti-spam program. What you want to do is click on Activate, and you're going to need to enter an API key. Now, you used to have to go to WordPress.com to generate this. Now it allows you to actually get your key. It's going to take me to a separate site, and I'm going to click here, get your API key, get an API key. And then down here on the bottom, this is just a personal site. And I'm going to go ahead and, now here's the thing. They want to make you feel guilty if you don't donate. So then they give you a sad face. But hey, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and log into LastPass and fill out all this information and continue. I'm going to pause the video really quick so you don't get on my information. One second. If you're currently not using LastPass, it's one of my picks for being very user-friendly. You're able to insert all your information very quickly, including credit card information, remembers all your sites, etc. And once I click that, it is going to email me that API key. So I'm just going to go back and log into my email. So here's my API key. I'm going to copy that and go ahead and paste that in. And I'm going to auto delete spam older than a month, show number of comments you've approved beside each author, and go ahead and update. Okay, it takes a moment for it to get updated, and when everything's all green, you're all set. And you can check the status of the network. Everything's working correctly, and they have green lights. And what this is going to do is it's going to totally knock out all my spam. And when you go to the statistics here, it'll show you how many people are coming in, how many people are trying to get in. And I'm pretty surprised for even as small of websites as I've managed. You do get quite a few hits. So this is the plugin there again. You're going to go ahead and click on plugins and then activate. And once that's done, we'll move to the next step.